The end of a YouTube video isn't necessarily the end of your experience with that audience. Over the last 20 seconds of any video on the platform, you can insert suggested videos, links you want to drive your audience to, and your YouTube avatar so people can subscribe. To help you make the most of these final seconds of your next video, we've compiled this list of the 10 best YouTube end screen templates of 2020. All items featured in today's video are available with a subscription to Envato Elements. Find a link in the description. Number 10. YouTube End Screens by Templates Bravo is a collection of modern, colorful end screens. It features fresh white backgrounds and playful animations around the subscribe avatar and suggested videos using gradients, gooey ellipses, and more. You can adjust the colors and fonts, and it's a Premiere Pro template, meaning there's no need to use After Effects to customize it. Number 9. This YouTube kit by MediaStock features a number of great end screen templates that use colorful backgrounds you can customize as well as images. They cater for a number of end screen layouts depending on where you're planning to place your avatar and suggested videos. Some of the templates include playful animated elements like arrows to guide the viewer's eye to what they should click next, and some include text placeholders for calls to action. Number 8. This popular YouTube template pack features a great collection of end screen templates, with placeholders for calls to action and social media handles, editable colors and patterns, and a number of layouts and styles to choose from. It's a versatile set that will definitely have something for you. Number 7. YouTuber Subscribe Pack is a bright, playful, and modern pack that includes openers, subscribe calls to action, and of course, end screens. The end screen templates are simple, bright, and animated with clean white backgrounds, playful patterned shapes, and video placeholders with animated red outlines that draw the viewer's eyes to your selected videos. Simply add your media to the placeholders, and the ends of your YouTube videos will be looking modern and professional. Number 6. YouTube Subscribe by Templates Bravo is a collection of Premiere Pro templates that cover all aspects of a YouTube channel. It features subscribe animations and social media themed lower thirds, as well as end screen templates that are customizable but also look great as is. They feature soft pastel pink color schemes, beautiful drop shadows behind the suggested video placeholders, and animated ellipses around the channel avatar, plus text placeholders to add calls to action and social media handles. If you're enjoying this countdown, hit the like button and subscribe to the Envato channel for more. Number 5. A colorful, modern pack, YouTube Kit by Ninja Team is a great collection of YouTube essentials. Its end screen options feature video placeholders on top of a number of pre-made backgrounds, patterns, and images, covering an array of bright, playful styles. They also include red placeholders for like, share, and other social calls to action. Number 4. Perfect for an energetic YouTube channel, YouTuber Kit by Redcase is a modern template pack. Its end screens feature video placeholders flipping into place on screen, landing on an angle, and provide placeholders to insert logos, social media handles, and calls to action. It feels incredibly slick. Number 3. This YouTube channel package by Motion Media Group is beautiful, bright, and playful. It follows a paint splashing concept with animated splashes of color filling up the screens, creating transitions, patterns, and backgrounds. It includes a number of end screen options, offering different layouts of suggested video placeholders, avatars, and calls to action. Number 2. Vistina's YouTube Essentials Pack is a simple set of motion graphics offering lower thirds, logo reveals, and, of course, end screens. You can suggest 2 or 3 other videos to watch, as well as include your social media handles and calls to action in this simple, streamlined design. It's all editable in After Effects, and a version for Final Cut Pro is also available. Number 1. Simple and functional, YouTuber Kit Classic by Redcase is bright and playful. It includes a number of end screen options, allowing for up to 3 video placeholders, plus templates that include only calls to action and social media handles, leaving space for you to insert your suggested videos through the YouTube platform. It features a beautiful rounded rectangle design, soft but clear fonts, and editable colors. It's a beautifully simple pack that also includes lower thirds and backgrounds. And that wraps up our list of the 10 best YouTube end screen templates for 2020. All the items featured in today's video are listed in the description. Be sure to check out the next video selected just for you, and leave us a comment letting us know what top 10s you'd like to see next. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.